Alright, you guys, welcome to the vlog. Welcome back, as a matter of fact. I had some unfortunate stuff today. I woke up this morning feeling great and everything. I was happy and thrilled that my light bulbs, my headlights were finally changed. And unfortunately, my car doesn't want to start now. So, I don't have the tools required at all to literally take off the battery. So here's what's going on right now. When I got the keys in the ignition, when I put the electricity on, this is what I get. Now normally more lights will be flashing, this and that, but this is what I get so far. Now I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. So this is what I get when my lights are a little flickish. I'll restart that just to show you guys. So got my key here. Let me see if I can get this on camera. Put in the ignition. Good. Now I'm gonna turn the key and you're gonna see the lights flicker. Oh, they didn't do it this time. So you guys will see that. Well, you guys won't see it actually, but I got my foot on the clutch and now watch what happens. Doesn't start the car at all. Car does not start. Alright, so my car again does not start. This is actually the same problem that I had when I had to change the battery at the Subaru dealer. So I'm gonna assume right away that this is the battery. I could be wrong though. My friend doesn't even know himself because it could be a short fuse, it could be anything. Oh my god, I am sorry about that. Okay, let me just put my fucking thing on top here. By the way, guys, I just got back from work, so I am a little busted and tired. But it's weird because my car did work yesterday. It worked perfectly yesterday. So here. Alright, so the battery is supposed to be like this, obviously. It's supposed to be good like this. You got your positive and your negative, or your negative, your positive, whatever the hell you want to call it. So, yeah, a few days ago when I was with my friend, we took the battery off, laid it there. I don't even know if it's safe to even keep the battery here. That way we could literally unscrew the light bulb. I have to unscrew this with this little black thing here, which is super easy. I'm gonna show you guys one thing though. I wish I could actually show you guys, because my light bulb on that side, the wires are fucking fried. They're fried. I mean the wire, like I'm not gonna get electrocuted. Don't worry, guys, because I'm touching rubber right now, but I can't even remove this because I think you have to like loosen this bolt and loosen that bolt right there. With that little the little socket, I think it's a socket wrench, as a matter of fact. I could be wrong. All right, so the only unfortunate thing I cannot do is I cannot remove. I don't want to touch it because I'll get sparked probably. I cannot remove this or this. So this bolt and this bolt right here I cannot remove because I do not have the socket wrench. I'm guessing that's what you call it. So unless I have a screwdriver, not a screwdriver, but like a little thing to loosen it up. Not a bad idea actually, but I'd rather I don't know what to do. Alright, so you guys know that the car hasn't been on all day. So my friend told me it's a go. I can check the bulb on the headlight with the battery inside. I'm not gonna get sparked or anything. So everything should be good to go, honestly. I'm not gonna be afraid or anything. Just gotta find a way to do the camera angles for you guys. Alright, so got the camera in a good angle, thankfully for that. Just gotta remove this little black thing here that's literally attached to this. I might actually need my flashlight. Yeah, I'm gonna need actually my phone light so I could take this off, because I can't see shit down here. Let's see, give me a second. I'm gonna like literally put this back in. I want to give you guys actually a good angle, and I want to show you guys exactly how fried and melted this fucking wire really is. The previous owner really fucked up on this car. Obviously, what I'm about to show you guys, hopefully the footage is good. You're gonna see this headlight right here is on the passenger side in the front. The wire is melted. So, yeah. Yeah, that's gonna suck. Alright, so you guys can see that I got my wire literally right there. That's where my light bulb goes in and everything. I'm about to show you guys how fried this fucking thing is. I honestly, I don't think I've ever seen a wire that bad before. That could be the cause of my battery being fucked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this fucking bulb out of here, retry the car and see if it works. If it doesn't, oh well. Oh, actually here, I'll show you guys this. I think those are the pieces to the car. No, it's actually a fly. Never mind. Alright, I'm gonna zoom in for you guys real quick. So that's my new light bulb, my new headlight that I got at the Walmart. Actually, at Walmart, it's actually pretty good. Now that's not the problem. The big fucking problem. Well, one thing is I don't even know how to take this shit off. Oh, I think I do. Never mind. Yo, it even smells like it's burned. Oh yeah, okay, I'm gonna zoom in further for you guys actually. Give me a second. So, you guys can see the two wires right there. They're fried. They're freaking fried. Impressive. So that's pretty much the reason why my battery might be fucked. Fucking battery, I hate you. So yeah, you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys actually how melted this little, where am I here? Oh, I'm sorry, let me zoom out a little bit. So this little black thing right here, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how fucking melted this thing is. This thing is melted, guys. Like you guys can tell, it's freaking unbelievably melted. It's disgusting. Alright, so we got some tendons here in the garage. We gotta be careful. We gotta just shut up. You guys saw how fucking fried that thing was. That is crazy. Even the wire is finished. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna just try. I'm gonna start the car up. Everything's fine. I'm just gonna start the car up and see if it makes any kind of a difference. I hope it does. Where's my key at? I did this a few days ago with my friend, so I'm not really worried. Yeah, I kind of fried my battery. That really does suck. Let me. It's not gonna work with my clutch in, eh? Yeah. Car doesn't even bother going on. It doesn't even give you that little thing where it's about to go on. Yep. So before I end this vlog, I'm just gonna show you guys one more time what the issue is. So I'm gonna zoom in as much as I can. So you see the wire under that black, under the black, right? That's the wire. Here, let me just fucking hold it up. Alright, so this is my nice light bulb, blah, 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 blah. This is the little black thing that is melted. You guys can see that. And I'm surprised my camera is still doing good right now. You guys can, that's insane. And you can see this wire right here. I don't know if I can get it. Where am I at? This wire right here. And get out of my way. And this wire right here, you can see these two wires are fried. Like, Jesus. Oh, I moved my camera. Oh, God. Okay, good. So you guys can see these two wires are fucking fried. So, yeah. I'm gonna have to, like, do something about that. Yeah, they're done. So that kind of sucks. My friend Wayne did tell me, you know, like, if I keep on using the car and trying to start it up, even if I get it boosted, I could light a fuse or I could spark a fuse while I drive and the whole car will explode with me in it. So I don't want to die at 26. So I'm gonna call CA tomorrow, get her towed to the garage at Continental. You guys know it before because I brought you guys with me at that place, the garage. I've been going there for over 12 years. They do amazing job. I never had not one problem, not one issue going to them. So I'm gonna keep on going to them. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. Other than that, you guys know that the car looks obviously gangster. She looks gangster. You know, I honestly, guys, I love my car. Like, should I get some sandpaper and sand this fucking? I think this is like plastic the previous owner had on it, just to protect the headlight from like scratches or anything like that. Same thing over here, but this thing is whole covered. So we're gonna get this done. Gotta install this black thing, cover it all up again, and I will vlog it for you guys. Don't worry, I got you guys covered. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm just gonna put the light bulb back in, reconnect the melted black plastic to the light bulb, take this cover, put it back in, and we're gonna call it a night. Whew, I didn't think that, I really did not think that was that serious and that bad. Like, it actually melted more. I did upload, I think it was a vlog like a day or two ago. You guys can check it up on my channel. I did upload another vlog of how melted this shit really is. And this will go on my Instagram page, because that is fucked up. Okay, so it's fucking... Uh-oh. Little bitch doesn't want to get in, guys. We're going to have to teach her a little lesson. Oh, never mind. She's in. We're going to put the plastic now inside. I think I know how to do it. Whatever. Fuck off. See, guys, now she doesn't want to cooperate with me now. You see? Bitch don't want to cooperate. I have to probably change this whole fucking thing, but whatever. Okay, am I seriously having a hard time putting this shit in? Are you fucking kidding me right now? My friend made it look so easy. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. I'll just leave it like that, can I? I can't believe I'm having a hard time putting this shit back in, guys. I can't believe it. I feel so bad right now. I feel so bad right now. Ah, there we go. I got you, you bastard. Yeah, there we go. I got it, guys. I'm good. Alright, we're good. We're awesome. Oh my god, it throws my back off. Whew. Oh boy, sorry about the camera angles now. I gotta close my hood. So I'm trying to keep my promise for you guys. You know, I'm trying to like vlog for you guys as much as I can about the car, fixing the car, modding the car, doing simple things myself. That way, a lot of you guys who don't know anything about cars or who want to learn, you know, I'm giving you guys a bit of like a kind of a B is for build kind of thing. You know, shout out to Chris from B is for build. He ain't no mechanic, but he knows his shit. Let me tell you. But other than that, probably gonna take this car up to 300k kilometers wise, and then get my turbo engine in there. Y'all know what it is. JDM EJ20 with a turbo. Alright, because that's how I roll, people. Yep. Everything's good. Everything is good. So, yep. So we saw. Alright, so I want to thank you guys very much actually for watching today's video. Hope you guys learned something. I sure as hell actually learned a couple things. How to actually get into the headlight, how to look at the bulb, how to tell between like what's good and what's bad. And I actually learned that you could touch the battery wires without getting electrocuted because there's rubber on it, so I'm really happy about that. So And in a way, I like doing this kind of stuff because it makes me like I have fear at the same time, but I'm very confident that I know that if I'm gonna do something and mess it up, I'm gonna redo it again until I get it right, and that's what I want. You know, like there are gonna be so much things I'm gonna be doing to this car without any of my friends' help that I don't even know what I'm gonna be doing. So YouTube is pretty much gonna be my teaching kind of thing. So I want to thank you guys very much for watching this vlog. If you guys are still in it until this time, I will see you guys very soon. I'm off Tuesday and Thursday coming up, so Tuesday and Thursday there will be a vlog. Tomorrow will be a vlog though because I'm going to the garage, as you guys know. So I will see you guys very early tomorrow morning. I appreciate the support and everything, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.